Hey there everybody, I'm back. I just wanted to show you the 7 pieces that you get in the upgrade kit. Now, like I said before in part 1, that this is originally a $99 to add the upgrade, but for the month of July, you can earn it for free by meeting your 30-day goal. This first piece that I'm going to show you is the Sue necklace. And this is, yes, I love this. It's pink and it's metal, but it looks like lace. I've been waiting for this. Look at how pretty that is. I mean, that is gorgeous. I put the Ada necklace on for my starter kit because I really like that. And so here's this one. And like I said, they're all adjustable. It has this piece right here, but even if you have this ring right here to make it shorter, then it can go all the way to the longer length. Look at how pretty that is. And the earrings that match, you get the complete set in the upgrade kit, so it's totally worth it. I'll come across, I think it might be these. These are the Sonia earrings. Have the paper still. And then these, yes, these are the matching earrings. I love these. So pretty. Let's see. Yeah. Alrighty, my Sonia earrings. I'm trying to hurry with this because my last video was a little lengthy. I have a tendency to talk too much, so I've been told. Let's see. And this is the page bracelet. And this is more, yes, this is the pearls. And it's one of the, kind of the bulkier piece. But it's really pretty. Which I love pearls. I think I said that about 4 times in the last video. See, it's not too bad. I can get it in there. Yep, there we go. See, that's really pretty. I'll keep that on. Alright, 4 more pieces left. That was just 3 pieces, 4 pieces. This is the Micaiah necklace. I may not be saying these names right. Let's see. Ooh, this one is, oh, this one is really popular. It's a gold necklace, and it kind of like layers, if that's a way to explain it. But it's really popular, and it's really pretty. I know I have the other necklace on, but just to kind of, I don't know, just, it has these little tassels on the bottom. It's cute. I have to try it with a top that I think it looks good on. This isn't really, this top is too busy for something like that. Let's see. I can wrap it in the paper. And this here is the Miley necklace. Oh, this is pretty. If it doesn't challenge you, it doesn't change you. That's so true. And it has the bird. And the cool thing about this necklace is it has this hook right here. So you can take this piece off. You can take that piece off. And then if you get the personalized pendants, you can attach the personalized pendant to this necklace. And so you can switch the pendant out for whatever outfit or whatever your mood is for that day and wear this necklace. This is the Miley necklace. All right, 2 pieces left. This is the Heather necklace. Oh, this is pretty. I love this one. It has the feather on it. So it could go with my other pieces that I had from the starter kit that had the feathers. And this is on one of the longer chains, but it's adjustable. With these, the hook can go anywhere down the chain, just like however short or however long you want it to be. That cut it in about half. But this piece, he will cover you with his feathers, and under his wings you will find refuge. And that's from Psalm. And it's got the little feather. Really pretty. Alright, one last piece. This is the Addison. And these are some of the earrings that are $8. Hi, Bryson.
What?
Did you enjoy your ice cream?
They mess.
You made a mess? Okay, I'll come clean you up. And then these are some of the $8 earrings that are really strong, but they're really light. They're pretty. Alrighty, so guys, this was the upgrade kit that is normally $99, but if you sign up to be a Plunder stylist during the month of July, you can earn this kit for free just by meeting your 30-day goal. So if you are interested in being a Plunder stylist, please send me a message, an email, a text, and I can show you how to get signed up, and I will help you in any way that I can. Thanks for watching.